What's up everybody? This is my first video of the year, so hello 2019. I wanted to start out the new year by being very grateful for 2018 and go over the lessons that I learned in 2018 that would translate into the blessings of 2019. I am still getting over my cold or my sickness, so bear with me, I sound kind of nasally. So 2018 was very challenging yet very rewarding. I became a supervisor at my job. I achieved my dancing goal by doubling what I made in 2017. So last year I was able to dance for EDC Las Vegas, Escape, and banged out the new year with Countdown. Head over to my Instagram to see what costumes I wore. I traveled to so many places last year. I got to go to Florida, Seattle. I did my first 2 cruises back to back. I went to Denver, I did a NorCal trip, and I was able to go to San Francisco twice last year. I coached and graduated a group through a leadership program through Compass Trainings. Shout out to LP15. I went to workshops and checked out events for the female entrepreneur, among many other things. I am so super thankful for the opportunities to do all the things that I did last year, and I'm so grateful for the people that I have in my life. They gave me the feedback that I needed to hear, whether I wanted to hear it or not at that time. They gave me the feedback that I knew would make me a greater version of myself. The challenges of 2018 put me face to face with my shortcomings. It allowed me to see where I was falling short, and it allowed me to see what areas of my life I needed to improve on for me to become the better version of myself that I know I can be. Feedback, I'm going to tell you now, is the greatest tool in growth. 1, you have to be open to actually hearing it. 2, you can't take it personal. Don't take feedback as a personal attack. These are just people who care for you and are loving you enough to be honest with you, to tell you things as they are. Just receiving feedback, though, isn't going to transform anything or change anything. What's going to change is if you confront the things that are hindering your growth, if you confront the truths that are stopping you from becoming the better version of yourself. So in order for the lessons and the feedback to transmute into blessings for this new year, I get to confront them. I get to take it in and take committed action to improve on those areas in order for me to level up. So I'm going to go over a few of the things that I'm going to be working on in 2019, and hopefully this helps you too in case you've also received similar feedback from your loved ones. Alright, so the first lesson I came face to face with was I was impatient. I was impatient with myself and I was impatient with others. I think it's because I have high expectations, and I think we can get things done so quickly as long as we jump all into things. So in 2019, what I have to realize is, or what I get to realize is, things take time. I get to cut myself some slack, I get to cut everyone else slack, and I get to understand and remind myself we are all on a journey. We're all doing this together. No one's perfect, and we're definitely not close to perfect all the time. The second feedback I had to confront was that I wasn't the best person at forgiving. I think it's because I'm so hard on myself, and then it translates over to other people, and then I become hard on others too. So in 2019, I'm going to practice being more forgiving, because we're all humans. We're all going to make mistakes. We're going to change our minds. We're going to be late sometimes, and sometimes we're going to forget a promise that we made. A third lesson that I learned was that I wasn't the best at acceptance, especially when plans changed. I think it's because I'm so used to wanting to be in control, planning everything out, making sure it all goes according to plan. But of course, nothing in life goes according to plan. So in 2019, I'm really going to practice accepting things. Last year I read A New Earth, great book by the way, highly recommended, and that really taught me a lot about acceptance. I learned that acceptance isn't condoning someone for doing something wrong. Acceptance isn't settling for something less than. Acceptance is just acknowledging that it is what it is at this point, and all I gotta do or all I get to do is just making the best of the situation as it is right now and doing what it is that I need to do right now with the current situations. The last feedback that I'm going to share with you that I received in 2018 was that I was being too judgmental, and I don't judge a lot, and I think this person was more so saying how I judge was the issue or the feedback that I needed to hear. And so looking in, I'm thinking it's because of cultural norms. It's because of what I think people should or should not be doing. And I think on some level, we all kind of do that. We're human beings and we judge our environments and situations to keep us safe. So in 2019 and moving forward, I get to be more understanding. A way to be less judgmental is to first seek to understand before trying to be understood, and realizing that everybody is just trying to live their best life the way they know how. So to recap everything, I get to be more patient, more forgiving, more accepting, and more understanding. And with those 4 things, I believe I can really level up into the greatest version of myself. I hope you found this video valuable and you learned a few things from the lessons that I had. Honestly, I am not afraid to share with you guys my shortcomings or the things that I lack. And I'm here to just be real, raw, and authentic with you guys. I'm here to share my experiences, hoping that it would bring some sort of value to you and hopefully make your life a little bit better, easier, knowing that you're not in this alone. Forgive me if some parts were hard to understand. I am super congested right now, but I couldn't wait. I wanted to jump in front of the camera and share with you guys the lessons that I had so that 2019 for me and for you could be amazing. Thank you all so much for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, my name is IE. Thank you so much for watching this all the way until the end. Give me a thumbs up to let me know you guys want to see more videos like this one. Leave a comment down below and let me know what are the things you guys are working on in 2019 to level up in your own lives. And click on that subscribe button and notification bell, that way you don't miss my next video. Happy 2019 again, and let's make this year the best year yet. So I'll see y'all next time, fam. Bye.